Hello, third grade. For this project, we're going to be learning about negative and positive space in artwork. So if you haven't yet, make sure you looked at the Google slide presentation I posted on negative and positive space. There's some different examples as well as a famous artist's work on there. So let's take a look at my two samples here. So the positive space would be the red, and the negative space, the area surrounding it, it would be the black. And then here's another sample. So the positive space here would be the purple, and then the negative space would be the white paper. Okay, so now I'm going to do a step-by-step with you so you can see how we can create this type of art. So you're going to need two colored papers. It can be any two colors you want. For this, I'm using blue and black. And I cut my paper into squares, but even if they're rectangles, it'll work. Also for this project, you will need a pencil and glue. So just two pieces of paper, pencil, and glue. First thing you're going to do is we're going to draw a different kind of shape on each side here. So just kind of drawing this line here, and then I'm going to turn it and draw another design. I'm kind of making a wavy line here, turn it again, and you can do any kind of designs you want. As you could see on my two samples here, I did a few different kinds of designs. Let me turn it again. Okay. So after you get all your designs, you're going to take scissors and we're going to cut them out. All right. So here's my first one all cut out. Now let me cut out this one here. All right, the second one cut out. I'm just gonna put it on the black paper here for now. And now I have this kind of bumpy shape. Like I said, you could do any kind of shapes and designs you want. You can look at my samples for some inspiration. If you can't think of any, here's another one. Okay, now one more. So for this one's a little different. I'm gonna cut out the shape, but then look, I drew another shape inside of there. So I'm also gonna cut that. So I wanna keep those together here. Okay, so now here comes the gluing part. So we wanna just put everything on our paper how we want it. So here's my square that I had. So here's a trick. So you can kind of see the pencil lines on this side a little bit, right? So I want to flip it on this side so no pencil lines are showing. But then on these shapes, I want to keep it on the side with the pencil lines because look, when you place them right next to there, you want it to look like almost like if you flipped it back over, it would fit perfect like a puzzle, right? All right, so then let's go over to the spiky one here. See, if I flipped it over, it would fit perfectly right back in there. That's how you can tell what side to put it on. I have this wavy one. See, if I flipped it, it would fit right in there. And then last comes this one. So, here. And then we have that little inside shape. So what we're gonna do with that is we're just gonna put it on this side. Okay. And if you want to do more fancy things like that, I did it a lot in this one, the purple one. You're welcome to do that. This one's a little more simple, but you could do it however you would like. Okay, so once you're done placing it on your paper how you want it, you're just gonna glue all your shapes down. Okay, so don't forget to upload a photo of your finished work, and I can't wait to see it when you're all done.